And here we go. All right, guys, we're live. Um, so in today's video, we're gonna be going to cryptocurrency market and analyzing what's going on. Okay, so let's see. Um, so daily chart. What's daily chart is saying is like um, we had this structure forming. You know, the market comes down here. It's trying to go up. So uh, let's do the um, see if it's fetching the data or not. I think it should fetch the data. I think what's going on. Anyway, um, so I'm actually like getting into this machine, but for some reason it's like, yeah, it's not working. Come on. I'm gonna make sure if my public keys are there or not. So yeah, everything is running smooth. So what is the problem? Hang on. Anyway, we can look at the chart though. So see what's going on. Okay. So it's like all right. So on the daily time frame, what we got here is see our buying climax. Automatic reaction, you know. So secondary test here, Here we are in the like spring kind of situation, spring slash secondary test. So from here we know it's like market's gonna go up, but like we are waiting for the test of the, like it's like this is already a test, but like if it's really market's gonna really go up, it has to go up and then do like this, and then we can enter long here. But right now I wouldn't enter long, because yeah yeah, we are still at the like lower high territory, so we're not making that much of process, and like we are making lower low and lower high on the higher time frame. So watch for it. Okay, um, let's go on the lower time frame on the 4 hour and do the same analysis here. What I would like to do is like just turn off every indicator. It's just like, yeah, it just doesn't work like that, the market. Yeah. So here we see the same thing in higher time frame, but like we have a lot of test here, right, on 4 hour time frame. So as we got that line on one day time frame, then we go into 4 hour time frame and see what's going on, right? So it's like this was like our trade there, and like then went down and again came down around here. So even if we are like going up, it's like it's like we have to like cross that boundary, then we go up, or as we see, we are like making lower high. You see this? We are making lower high, lower low, so we will see some sort of like resistance building up there, so that eventually we go down, and like when it retraces back, then we again like punch the trade. Okay, so for so long the market is looking good, because let's see how it goes though. Okay. Yeah, so this was Bitcoin, and let's go even further down to the time frame, 1 hour. We see the same story on 1 hour too. It's just like there are more candles, right? Yeah, so if I see this only, what is going on here, it's like, see, we had our like this last point of supply, and then like selling climax. Then this is kind of like like automatic rally here. So let's see how it's gonna make the progress. But so far it's like it has like gone up, but like the waves are like getting smaller on the downside, and on the up wave is like getting bigger. So let's see, I think it's gonna like stop somewhere around here, I think, or that liquidity grab we have there. So, and it's also a like Fibonacci 50 or 61% target. So yeah, in order to show you that, I mean, Fibonacci does work because it's like is the calculation of it, So Fibonacci retracement from left to right. So if I take from here to here, see, we are already on the this 78%, it's like, and if we like move on to 100 there, that's like that's your like order block kind of stuff, like it's like double top, and then we like take short from there. So yeah, this is how we like add confluence and stuff. So yep. Let's go to the 15 minutes and see what is going on. So on 15 minutes we did saw this, you know, it's like we saw it coming actually. Like in my previous video I told you, like, you know, if it's gonna go up you know, when it's pulled back around here, it's like that's where we like enter long, you know. So that's what happened actually. And you see this, it's going up, and now there is some like already some liquidity around there, you know. So that's like price discovery might go up there, and then like here it's like again you look for this or you look for this. So that's the like you know, good strategy to follow. Just like, you know, enter only the test of it, just enter only on the retest of it. Okay, enter trades only on the retest. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so you know, that's why like you know, prediction on like prediction from top down analysis is like really good. Top down analysis prediction, it's like we look at like the 1 day chart, you know, and then like 4 hour, and then 1 hour, and then like 15 minutes, like where we execute the trades. So you know, this is how like this is how it goes, you know. So yeah, let me see if my hang on. Okay, we can also look at the 5 minutes chart and like, you know, apply the same principle there. It's like it's just like the same thing is happening again and again, you know. Like when you look at that, it's like yeah. That's why like we're gonna be doing like forward testing and seeing, you know, how it goes. So that's just like for practicing and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is like so this is like 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. So there's like 21 coin pairs, and then what I'm gonna do, random number generator, you know, online. Just generate any random number, and what we do is like 1 to 20, and then so 20, right? So let's analyze. We already did the Bitcoin. You give me something else. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's analyze the dot, and let's go as like back as possible, you know. So like 4 hour time frame. Let's go back. Volume. Volume, just the volume. Yep. So I mean, this we can consider as like selling climax, and that like automatic rally. So I mean, just to start kick things off, just like do that, and then like do that. Okay, and now let's move on. What we are expecting is like if it's automatic rally, the secondary test, let it come here. It's like this, also this structure there, you know. So let's see. So we are testing that again. So we went to the upside, meaning like, you know, there's like up thrust there. So, you know, we'll probably go down from there. Okay. So now what happened here is see, um, what happened now is so we had this smaller structure inside this structure. So this was like sign of strength, and then we like came down around here. Okay, so this is change of character, change of behavior, because how you can measure is like, see, like small up waves and then like big up wave, then like pullback was small, came down here, and then it like rolled up from there, so yeah, I would take that like long bet there. So but again it came down, so let's see what's going on. Yeah, so we would have like secured our, like, we would put our stop loss around there. So it's just like from here is reversed. So that's where, I mean, this is the optimal trade entry that you would do, you know as we like, as like this happened like 2-3 times, right? So one opportunity, second opportunity, third opportunity. So right there you have like 3 opportunities to enter trade. Okay, okay. Sometimes this pen is doesn't work anyway. So this was like Wyckoff methodology. It's very simple. It's just like you draw support and resistance, and then you see the tests, and you trade on those tests. Okay. So I'm gonna let it run and see. So this actually like now here, what we saw here is the now we done with the previous structure. Let's like draw here again. It's like buying climax. You see the volume there, good volume. So now we are seeing the, yeah, so we saw that reversal. Let's see, now again tested there, you know seeing the test, respecting there, see those trading range. So again, now if you want to, like, what do you want to do here, tell me. It's like that's the big question. What do you want to do? um so can you guys hang on for a minute? I'm gonna check like if the voice is coming good or not. Hello. I think it's rolling. Yeah. Yep, it's rolling. Yeah. I think my camera is like not settled properly. Yep, it's rolling. Yeah. I think my camera is like not settled properly. Oh, hello, hello. Now you guys can hear me, right? Yeah, I think it's yeah, yeah. Thank you, Philip. Yeah, guys, it's just that like I'm beginning now. Like it's been a year since I uploaded a video, like 6, 7 months or something. So I'm just like doing it live, you know. Yeah. So yesterday we actually like discussed about. Did you guys get this stuff? Like when I was like talking about. I mean, I know it's like there was no voice, but anyway, it's just like I was applying the Wyckoff methodology and like like predicting the market. What's gonna happen, and it's like this is what we predicted around here, that this was like buy entry, and like this moves we got, and like this is the best way to like train yourself. It's like just do forward testing. Just like one click away, and then like you can see what's going on. So yeah, you see this. So this fractal point, no, that we're gonna like as time moves on, no, yeah, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this stuff. Okay, see, it's going up, right? So you know and this is how like yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna like uh, run this, and then let's code that strategy that we built yesterday. Okay, so strategy was like this. So daily, yeah. Do you guys remember this strategy? So it's like we're gonna code this strategy. Oh yeah, this chat is too much. Okay, anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna get the VS Visual Studio Code. Okay, and okay, let's do this now. So you, Philip, you work closely with Frick Trade. Awesome. And I also worked a lot with Frick Trade, man. Like, wrote a lot of code, just like, yeah. Yeah, I mean, for me, like now, my job description has become like, after writing so much technical analysis code, is like whatever you guys can think in trading is like I can code it, and like yeah, exactly. The alpha is like yeah, for algorithmic trading it's very important. There's like one book called like Seeking Alpha or something, I don't know, for algorithmic trading. Or like Discovering Alpha or something. Yeah. Well, the point was that like yeah, it was good read actually. Yeah. Anyway, but the thing is like, oh yeah, machine learning for algorithmic trading. Yeah, that book also. Yeah, I also read that book. Yeah, it was really good. The second edition, I liked it. Yeah, man. Like I used to do. I used to like try to solve problem with machine learning before. Like it's like applying. I mean, it was back then, like before Frick AI even existed. So what I did is just like um, applied everything: deep learning, machine learning, AI, reinforcement learning, and what I finally like moved on to is like now, I mean, what we are trading, the brain is like the AI is good enough, but would you trust it to like give it more money to trade? Then it comes to like we already have like very good brain, like we are AI. Yeah. We ran a live, and like yeah, we did run a lot of live tests with real money. Yeah, and it was like I mean, for the 2 week it would work good, and then after that it would like deteriorate, because we didn't had, I mean, the CI/CD plan was, it was good, but like it wouldn't really capture the new data. Anyways, like we were going to be exploring everything in this channel as time goes on, so don't worry about that. Okay, now what I want to do is yeah, I want to implement this strategy and like show you guys how to like navigate Freak Trade. Okay. So what was the requirement yesterday was the strategy. Um, yeah. So yeah. User data strategies. So we built combined strategies before, right? So this is what we built before. Yeah. Now let's go on and build some yeah. So strategies, this is gonna be 3 um, 3. So this is like subscriber recommendation strategy. Yeah. With reinforcement learning, it was like really good experience for me. I used I built like APIs from scratch, and what I noticed, like I mean, with AI is the only way that, like, you can really encode all these, like, like when to enter, when to buy, like, when to exit the trade, how to monitor. This is the reinforcement learning stuff we're talking about. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do it, because like there's also like freak AI RLs, like there's also one repo for that as well, for reinforcement learning. And yeah. Oh, my video. Nice. We have that. Yeah. So it's ranking on 1, 2, 3. Yeah, the first one. I think not a lot of people have uploaded the video, I think. Yeah, Dutch algo.
Hi there, and
yeah, he done.
of
He
these
have
rows
done
is
some
called
stuff.
assembly.
Yeah. Anyway, it's like with reinforcement learning, you can really tweak some parameter. Yeah. So let's get to the code and let's see. Okay, so what we need is let's get the fresh data. We're gonna select the kernel, Python environment. I need this kernel, and I need all the code there. So this, and I want this. So what we need is that guy said to get the time frame for 4 hour, as well as 15 minutes, right? (4-hour) df 4-hour. Okay, so we got the 4-hour features. 1 hour. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So pd.getFeather. Data. Okay, so Binance futures 1 hour and 4 hour. Okay, we have 1 hour, but I don't think we have 4 hours data, so let me get that. Yeah, 4 hour config user data 2024 week 10 config port 001 JSON time range 2024-001, and then yeah, Bitcoin. Yeah, okay. So I'm getting the data. Okay. So Philip, do you know this stuff that I'm doing? It's like, I mean, yeah, you must know this stuff, right, already. Okay, it's the Bybit. Okay. Nice. So have yeah, I mean it's like Binance future. Why can't I get it? I have 1 hour data and 1 day data. Why don't I have 4 hour data? Do I have on the Bybit one? Anyway, data, user data, Binance futures. Yeah. Okay, anyway, I get the PWD and this is the path. Sorry. Yeah. We can just start from where we began. Yeah. User data, Binance futures, and then it's like BTC USDT, yeah, USDT 4 hour. Yeah, so this is what we do. This is the path, actually, base path. No, I should just write it base path, and as we get the data, just add the base path there. Okay, F base path, and then you have the data, right? So this was our 4 hour. This was our this was our 1 hour data. So we got the data you know. Let me download it for the 1 hour too. um, 1 hour and then 15 minutes as well. I want the data for 15 minutes too. So what I'll do now here is like build this edit.py file, and then here what I'm gonna do is like just hang on. Okay, anyway, it's like find the 4 hour and replace it with 1 hour. So I have the time frame for this one, and my 15 minutes time frame is like there. Okay, so yeah. Today we are coding a strategy that one subscriber suggested yesterday. So yeah, this is the strategy actually. So this is the strategy. I'm gonna paste it there so you guys can see it. Yeah. So what we need now is EMA and then Bollinger Bands. So what I'm gonna do is like so the way this strategy will work now is, so we have these EMAs, right? Now market goes like this, so we have to look for this, and for confirmation what we are doing is like what this we have this width, Bollinger Band width. So we're gonna be like when it's like dips down here, that's our like long entry, and as well, so it's like we're gonna be adding it as like confirmation. So how the scenario would look like is, let's code it and then we see. Okay, so we're gonna be using panda TA, simple moving average on like close length. I want 20, so EMA 20. Okay, I want 50, 100, 200, 50, 100, 200, and let's also get it for the 1 hour. And 4 hour too. So we got the okay, how is it not defined? DF 1 hour, I have it, right? How come it's not defined? I got that, right? Okay, so I got the EMAs. What I need is percentage Bollinger Bands, B bands, and just like pass it. Close length, let's take 20. Standard deviation, yeah, let's see what it's sending. So see this lower band, middle band, upper band, percentage B. This is percentage B, this is width band, you know. So let's plot it. How we do that? It's like this is our B bands, right? So B bands middle, we get the TF B bands dot columns 0. So this is first column 0, this is first 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we're gonna go and set it. So this is like column 1 is like middle, upper is 2, lower is 0, and percentage B this is like width, so this is like 3, and percentage width, percentage B width is like 4. How do you check it? This is how we check it. Columns B bands. Okay, I haven't executed it, so yeah, see this 0 1 2 3 4, right? So this is how we get it. Ask me any question if you guys have, like, at all. Okay, let me know if the stream is good. You guys can hear me correctly, you know. So now it's like now the time for plotting. So we get all these columns, what we have: date, open, high, low, close, volume, EMA, all these B bands, upper, middle, lower. Let's plot it. So let's go down and like get our plotting library there, you know, and just like remove everything though from here, or just like comment it out, you know, and then we run it and we got the error. Why is that? Because of the panel ratios. Yeah, so this is our like 15 minutes chart of Bitcoin, you know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take more yeah, this. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plot EMA, all those EMAs, you know, and let me know guys if you have any like modification after that. Okay, we can add all those indicator and test it. Don't worry about that. Yeah, we're gonna do everything here. Okay, and then like percentage B width around here. Okay, so once we have that visual perspective, know what is going on, visual perspective, then we write the long and short entry. We got to see it first. Okay, so yeah, so first we do visual back testing, and then we move on to like you know, historical back testing, and then we finally move on to live money trading. Just like the testing becomes trading now. So you get me, right? It's like, yeah, it's very simple. So let's plot that. What I need is simple moving averages, right? So I'm just gonna take this. Here I'm gonna say mpf.make at plot EMA 20, color is like I'm taking it like green. Type is line. And yeah, width is like 1. Okay, so I don't think we need all this stuff anyway. So I'm gonna add the plot, and then like let's see. So we got the 20 EMA. Okay, now we want 50, 100, 200. So 50, 100, 200, 2, 3, 4, and I wanna change the color of it. 50 is red, this is blue, this is ocean blue, or cyan, and this is like purple. Okay, so we got this right. Yeah, so this is our moving exponential moving average. Now on panel 2 here I want to plot my, like, you know, this B percentage B width. My marker is like not working properly anyway, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay. So get some code from here, and what we do is yeah, so okay, here what we gotta do is, this is gonna be my, oh, let's draw B bands as well. Okay, let's draw B bands as well. I'm just gonna draw the upper band and lower band. So B bands upper, B bands lower. Okay, this is gonna be like blue line. Yep. So that's our like Bollinger bands, and yeah. Now now let's add that. Okay, how do we do that? So it's like this, just gonna be B bands width. I mean, I'm gonna go with percentage width. Type is bar. Let's keep it the line, you know, line color gray, panel 2, you know, or panel 1. What I'm gonna do is like, this is percentage B width, B bands. So let's see. So this is our B bands, and in general, like what happens on trading view is on trading view is so I'm gonna lay out the Bollinger bands percentage width, or just like width. I'm gonna go with the percentage. Go to 15 minutes. So this is what we got. Okay, I'm gonna start the exponentials as well, and so this is very close, right? Now we got it. The lines that we have to draw is what, how much is it? This is 1 and this is 0. Oh yeah, 1 and 0. So if it goes too far above 1 and if it goes too far below 0, then it means something. Okay, so let's just draw that line, df 100 line, or just like line 1, just keep it 1, line 0, just keep it 0, or like 1.0, 0.0. Okay, now we draw that line here. Line 0, line 1, and we keep it black. Or line 0 should be green, this one should be red. See, well, it's not really getting that point. Okay. Yeah, 1 and 0. I mean, why is it like 0.5? You know, yeah, do we have to like draw 0 as well? Yeah, anyway, it's like this one, we will see it. Okay, don't worry about that. So like 0 here and like 1 there. Okay, so yeah, you guys get this till point, right? Now we're gonna like apply some principle of like trading strategy. What do you guys suggest? Like, let me know. Okay, so what I'm thinking now is it's like so see, we're gonna look at these 3 EMA, and as the market comes around here and this goes below 0 or something, like, you know, below 0, market is below like 20 EMA 20 EMA 50, you know, then we like enter long. Okay, so let's give you guys very simple strategy. So okay, so if my candle is like close or just low is less than equals to EMA 50, and while and also check if EMA 50 is greater than EMA 100, or and EMA 50 is greater than EMA 200. Okay, so now that we done, what I wanna see is like if B band percentage B width is less than equals to 0.1. Yeah, so that's our like entering long trade. For short entry, what we can do now is like see if like high is greater than equals to EMA 50 and EMA 50 is like less than that, and this is like greater than equal to 0.8, you know. So that's our like entering short trade, and we see how much we got. Yeah, I suppose this lot as well. So yeah, 16,395 signal, but like let's see. So I go there and I bring this and just like plot it there. Okay, now we're gonna see what's going to happen. Short, there's no short trade. Okay. Yeah. See, all these long signals we got. Boom, right there. Boom, boom. Here it's like losing trade, but like, yeah. I think one condition can also be made is like, um, that EMA 20 should be above EMA 50, right? That will reduce a lot of the noise as well. So EMA 20 should be greater than EMA 50. Okay. EMA 20 is less than EMA 50. So this will reduce a lot of noise. See, just it's like reduced to half, So when we do this, you see, now we actually like saved it, yeah. So first of all, yeah. So we did that. Now let's like test it, So okay. Combined strategy. Got that. Got here. No, so path lib. Import path lib. Candle range. This is the candle range. What is happening? I think we are almost 1 hour in our live session, so I think I'm probably gonna stop the video and like continue on the next video. Yeah. So let's see. I got the range. I'm gonna do it 300, yes. 18. And then okay. All right, guys. Yes, sorry for the, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna like, it off. and like grab the grab it here, you know, it's just like do that and it's gonna take care of it then. Okay, let's like do it first, like break it, you know, import time. Panel entering long trade. Okay, panel ratio, I already needed, I only needed one panel. Ah, okay, yeah, I think I know what you mean. So panel 1. Oh yeah, width panel 1. So only I need panel 1. Okay, so not that much. Clear output is not defined, so clear output, no. Import clear output from IPython. So it's kind of like from IPython dot display import clear output. So we did that and we got our first image. Okay, see, short. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna let it run. Okay, we sleep for 1 second, sleep for another, and we get this. And yeah, is there a name of it? No. So let's just keep going. 0 1 2 3. So it's gonna actually like populate everything, you know. So yeah, so all right guys, in the next video what we're gonna do is like we're gonna like, you know, build it into a strategy. So this was from the subscriber suggestions. We're gonna add some more confluence into it and see how it works. Okay, all right guys, thanks for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like the video. I really appreciate your help. And in the next video we're gonna be continuing where we left off. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.